what we're going to do this morning is we're going to take replace the strips from the main broom. So to replace the strips from the main broom, all we have to do, of course, is just take the end plate loose and lay it on the broom shaft, and then, of course, we're going to take each strip out and replace it. We use 7/32 Allen to take the plate loose. Before you start taking the strips out, you need to make sure everything is clean, so those strips can come out easy. If there is a lot of dirt in there, they will not come out easy. So make sure it's always clean and pressure washed. After the plate is loose, you're going to position the cutout on the top of the shaft, and then you're going to start pulling each one of these strips out. You can see it's coming out pretty easy. We're pulling out each one of the strips and replacing it with a new one. Time is necessary to push a little harder on the new strip. As it is new, it is possible that it needs to be set up correctly. Always make sure that the strip is inside the rail on both sides. So whenever the last one is being put in, then we're going to put the plate back on the way it was before and tighten it up. Always start the bolts by hand to make sure you're not cross-threading them.